How to download Snapchat on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can actually download Snapchat on PC, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to download Snapchat on your PC, it's actually quite simple. Now Snapchat is also now available on your PC, but for that you actually need to have your Microsoft Store. So if you look at the bottom of the dock bar, open up your Microsoft Store on your Windows, and then in the search bar just go ahead and then type in Snapchat and then search for the Snapchat app. You should be able to see the official application from here, and all you have to do is just click on the install button. In my case, I have already installed it, and then you will be able to download the Snapchat app on your PC. And this way you will be able to actually download Snapchat on PC. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.